Let's walk through the process of creating a lesson. Step 1. Create a lesson. Begin by clicking on the Create Lesson icon on the home screen dashboard. Step 2. Generating a complete lesson plan. You'll see 3 main steps to generate your lesson plan: topic, outline, and lesson. These steps are clearly visible on your screen. Step 3. Entering the topic. Under the Topic section, enter the topic name. Navigate to the desired grade. Specify the language of the content to be generated. Select the desired outcome from options such as knowledge, skill, attitude, affective, and behavioral. Once you've filled in these details, click on Generate Outline at the bottom of the page. Step 4. Reviewing the outline. The outline of your lesson will be displayed, complete with slide numbers and content such as lesson text, images, videos, and quizzes. Scroll down and click on the Generate Slides option. Step 5. Generating slides. In just a few seconds, your slides will be generated. You'll have the option to add these slides to the whiteboard for use in your classroom. Step 6. Accessing the lessons. Click on the whiteboard section available on the home screen dashboard. Step 7. Viewing the created lesson. You'll see the lesson you created, titled with the topic you entered. Step 8. Teaching in the classroom. Click on the whiteboard in the classroom to start teaching your lesson. Thank you for joining us on this guide tour. Create a lesson of your choice within a minute using BrightClass.